welcome to Preschool Storytime with Librarian Jeanne. That's me, Librarian Jeanne. And it's back to school season, isn't it? I don't know if you're going back to preschool or daycare, but probably older brothers and sisters are going back to school. They may be doing it virtually, but it's still back to school. And for all my story times, I'm going to focus on at least one of the Common Core curriculum goals for back to school. And today's goal is to develop vocabulary, both in speaking and listening. But first, let's go on and sing our good morning song. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? I didn't hear you. Adults, it's helpful if you sing along with your children. So let's do it one more time. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? That was better. So, I have my little red house. Part of this is learning the vocabulary of colors, folks. Are you wearing red today? I'm not. And in my little red house, there's a little yellow house. Anybody wearing yellow? Not me. In the little yellow house, there's a little green house. Well, I'm not wearing green either, but behind me, if you look behind me, there's lots of green plants. And in the little greenhouse, there's a little blue house. I do have blue on today. I'm pretty monochromatic. That's a big word that means I'm dressed all in the same color today. Maybe different shades of blue, but all the same color. What about you? In the little blue house, there's a little pink house. Does anybody have pink on? And in the little pink house, there's a little gray house. In the little gray house, there's a little purple house. I don't have purple on today, but it's one of my favorite colors. What about you? In the little purple house, there's a little orange house. And last but not least, in the little orange house, there's a little white house. What do you think might be inside the little white house? Shall we open the door? What is that? That's an apple. And I left that green apple in there from last week because we're still back to school, and oftentimes they say an apple for the teacher. So that's my apple for the teachers. Okay, so today we're going to read another book from Sergio Ruzzier's Fox and Chick series. This one is The Quiet Boat Ride and Other Stories, written and illustrated by Sergio Ruzzier, published by Chronicle Books, and used with their permission. And this is like the book we read last week. It is a chapter book. It has 3 different stories. You can see that there's the contents. The first story is The Quiet Boat Ride, and that's the one that I'm going to focus on vocabulary. So listen, and there may be words that you don't know or aren't familiar with, and I'll pick out some of the ones that I thought were important. The Quiet Boat Ride. What are you doing, Fox? I'm going for a quiet boat ride. Can I come too? I guess it doesn't have to be quiet. So they're getting in the boat. Can I be captain? That's what Chick is asking. What do you think that? Have you ever been a captain of a ship? That means you lead the ship and you tell all the other people what to do. Fox says, we don't need a captain, Chick. Captain Chick, that sounds great. What does a captain do, Fox? Fox says, a captain sits still and quiet. I'm not the captain anymore. That's what Chick says. Do you think that's what a real captain does? Maybe not. Are there sea monsters down there? Sea monsters. Chick says, I am not fond of sea monsters. Don't worry, Chick. This is a pond, not a sea. Do you know the difference between a pond and a sea? A pond is generally smaller and I think often has fresh water rather than salt water, like the sea. Are there pirates in this pond? Pirates. Oh, look at that. There are. That's what Chick thinks of when he sees pirates. I don't trust pirates. Don't worry, Chick. There is nothing to plunder in this boat. What do you think that means? Plunder. That means take those things that you might not want them to take. Like if you had treasure, you would plunder the boat for treasure. What if we get shipwrecked? That's what he imagines being shipwrecked would be like. I would hate to get shipwrecked. Don't worry, Chick. We can we can swim to shore. I don't know, Fox. It was supposed to be a quiet ride. A quiet boat ride was my plan. Are you kidding me? Sea monsters, pirates, shipwrecks. Wait, is it? Yes? Land, thank heavens. These quiet boat rides can be quite stressful. Look, Chick looks very happy to get back on dry land. He's kissing the ground. Now, did you learn new words in that chapter, in that story? Think about it. You might not have known captain, or pond, or pirates, or plunder. Those are words that you can use in everyday life. So, before we go on to the rest of the stories, let's sing Tops and Bottoms. Remember, that's our song about washing our hands. Tops and bottoms, in between, scrub them all together, rub them all together, squeaky clean, squeaky clean. Just a reminder for the adults, that's to the tune of Frere Jacques. Let's sing it one more time. Tops and bottoms, in between, rub them all together, scrub them all together, squeaky clean, squeaky clean. Remember to wash your hands several times a day. Now we can go on to the rest of Fox and Chip. Fox. I'm sorry, I can't talk. Fox and Chick stories. The next one in this book is called Chocolate Cake. I do like chocolate cake. Chick's looking at Oh no! I knew this would happen. What do you think he knows would happen? Chick, why are you so sad? I received this box. Why don't you open it? I was worried. It might be a chocolate cake. That's what I'm worried about. I thought you liked chocolate cake. I like chocolate cake more than life itself. So why don't you open the box? Because every time I eat a whole chocolate cake, I get sick. You don't have to eat it all. I don't? You could share it. I could? Open the box, Chick. I don't know. What if there is no chocolate cake? Chick, there is chocolate cake inside that box. How do you know? Because I bought you that box. Good cake. I think I could have eaten the whole thing by myself. What does Fox say? I'm glad you didn't. And the next story is called The Surprise. Do you like surprises? I do. Especially when they're good surprises. Ring! He's brushing his teeth, washing his face, brushing his teeth, going out the door. It's still dark. But he's going to Chick's house. Where are you going, Fox? To watch the sunrise from a hilltop. But it's so early. That's when the sun rises, Chick. May I come with you? Okay, but hurry. We don't want to miss it. No problem. I'll be right down. Fox is waiting. What should I wear, Fox? Chick, please hurry. Should I take an umbrella? It's not raining, and if it was, there wouldn't be a sunrise. Fox is still waiting. Should I bring a salami? We'll eat later, Chick. Hurry, we're going to miss the sunrise. Should I take my hammer? What do you need your hammer for? I can't find my hammer. Chick, let's go. It was such a nice hammer. They're going up the hill. Where's this sunrise, Fox? Chick, we missed the sunrise. Oh, too bad. What do we do now, Fox? I have an idea, Chick. Oh, sitting on top of the hill, nice sunny day. I like sunsets, Fox. Me too, Chick. I like them even better than sunrises. Have you ever seen a sunrise? This morning, I almost did. Look at that beautiful sunset. Fox, I'm ready for another chocolate cake. Do you think you could eat 2 chocolate cakes in a day? I think Chick could. Okay, that's all for today. Let's go. And remember, adults, about vocabulary. It's okay to use big words. If your kids don't understand them, they'll ask you, and you can explain, and it'll develop their vocabulary. So let's sing our goodbye song, If You're Happy and You Know It, and we'll wave goodbye. Oh, excuse me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, wave goodbye. Goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, wave goodbye. Goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, wave goodbye. Goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, do all 3. Goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, do all 3. Goodbye. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all 3. Goodbye. See you next week for Preschool Storytime with Librarian Jeanne. Bye-bye.